Welcome to Sleepm. Sleep better, live better.
I'm Ronnie Powell. I recently purchased some Sleepm products and I was told about it to a friend of mine. I was very, very excited to come over and to try them out, and I made the purchase right away. Now, prior to that, I was diagnosed with bladder cancer and I was a stage 1 category. And I had to go through 4 major surgeries, outpatient surgeries, but still, to me, it was a big deal. And one of the surgeries, they had put a stent in me, and another surgery, they put a catheter in me, and then the third one, they had put a chemo treatment while they were doing the surgery also simultaneously. So all of these things sort of reacted to with my body. I mean, not in a positive way. I was feeling very ill. I was not happy. And when I found out about the Sleepm products, meaning to come and try the mattresses, they have this crystal technology and this and that. I never understood that. I never knew what it was all about. But my friends kept insisting I should come out and at least just try the products with no obligation. So I came to the showroom here and I laid down a couple of months after I had my surgery. And when I got up, that day when I came, I wasn't feeling well. So when I got up, I felt slightly different, but I couldn't explain what it was. I just couldn't understand it. So I just said it was a great product. I made the purchase. I took them home, and I've been sleeping on my mattresses, on my pillows, on my toppers, my eye mask. I bought everything because I was looking for a mattress as well. So now, in the interim, I see all of these changes taking in my body. It's been now about over a year and a half since my surgery. And look at me today, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I feel great. My whole demeanor, my excitement, my exuberance, my stress level, I have none of that. I really feel. I'm always happy. I'm smiling. I feel that my complexion, I feel younger. It's just been a very positive journey. Now, whether it has to do with the surgery that I received, the outpatient surgery, or whether it had to do with me sleeping on the mattress pillows with the crystal technology and everything else, I strongly feel there was something else that helped me, and I felt being introduced to Sleepm products at this time in my life was so amazing at the right timing. So with that being said, I love my Sleepm products. It does some great, wonderful things in regards to our health and wellness.